Ever pondered why JavaScript is so important in today's digital world? Well, prepare to have your questions answered. JavaScript, a programming language birthed in the mid-90s, has become one of the three core technologies of the World Wide Web. It's the magic behind the interactive web pages and web applications we see and use every day. Today, delve into the world of JavaScript and unravel its basic concepts. The journey starts with understanding what JavaScript is and why it's so essential. JavaScript is a text-based programming language used both on the client side and server side, enabling you to make web pages interactive. Now, on to the first concept, variables. Variables are like containers where you store values to use in your program. In JavaScript, you declare a variable using the var keyword, followed by the variable name. The second concept is data types. JavaScript has two categories of data types, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types include number, string, boolean, null, and undefined. Non-primitive data types include objects and arrays. Next, let's understand functions. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is defined with the function keyword, followed by a name, followed by parentheses. Fourthly, we have operators. These are symbols that tell the JavaScript engine to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. The fifth concept to grasp is control flow. It's about making decisions in your code. The primary control flow statements in JavaScript are if, else, switch, and for loop. Finally, take a look at events. Events are actions or occurrences that happen in the system you are programming, which the system tells you about so you can respond to them in some way if desired. Now, to revisit the key points from this journey. 1. JavaScript is a text-based programming language used to make web pages interactive. 1. Variables are containers that store values for use in your program. 1. Data types in JavaScript are categorized into primitive and non-primitive. 1. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a particular task. 1. Operators are symbols used for specific mathematical or logical manipulations. 1. Control flow involves making decisions in your code. 1. Events are actions or occurrences that happen in your system, which you can respond to. So there you have it. The world of JavaScript demystified. As you continue to explore this powerful programming language, remember that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Keep learning, keep coding, and you'll soon be weaving magic with JavaScript.